Hello friends, so in this tutorial I will talk about while loop. So I'll cover these two things here. So one is while loop, second one is nested while loop. So let's understand this using shell script. While underscore loop dot sh ben. Okay, now so this is the syntax for while loop. Now give the initialize variable as 0. This is my initialization part. Now I'll give index less than 2. Okay, so in this script I'll play a song. Play this song. Copy the path. Okay, so if you see closely, this loops will go on and on because there is no break condition. So this index value remains 0 for every time, and this condition will be evaluated as true, and this will run continuously. So here you need to give exit condition. I'll increment the counter, index plus 1, and this song will be played 2 times. Let's run this. So this is the first iteration which is going on. So once this is completed, it will start again. This is the second time it is running, and after that it will get stopped. Okay, why it is running next time? Let's check. Index less than 2, which is fine. 3 times I have given less than equal to. Okay, so that's why it ran 3 times. If I give lt, then it will run 2 times. Okay, so this is for while loop. Now let's understand nested while loop. For nested while loop, I'll take the same example as I have taken for nested for loop. I'll copy this, and let's try to change for loop into while loop. Nested while loop dot sh. Okay, so for the first one, if you see, we have initialized something. So initialized, I'll remove this. Instead I'll give while square braces. Okay, so this is for index 1. Do. Now for the second one, this is the condition which we have used. Index plus plus also. This will, okay, rest of the things will remain same. Now I have to give increment and decrement part. For the index 1, I'm using the variable, so I need to give dollar. Index 2, do done. Equals to expr dollar plus 1. Okay, and for the index 1 I am decrementing by 1. Okay, so this is fine. Here I need to give hyphen greater than equal to, and here hyphen less than equal to. So this for loop has been converted into while loop. Let's run this. This is the file name. So I'm getting some error. Let's try to fix this. Index 1, this looks good to me. I have not given space after this. Okay, I think rest is fine. Index 1 do, this is correct, this is also correct. Index 2 I am incrementing it by 1, which is fine. Here I need to give index 1. Okay, rest looks good to me. Now run this. Syntax error. I'll use -x for debugging. Let's debug. Where are we getting the error? Okay, we are getting an error here because we have not initialized index 2 value. So I'll give it as 0. Okay, now close this, clear this, run this. Which line number now I'm getting an error? Index 4 greater than 0, this is evaluated as true, this is fine. Okay, here no need to give spaces. Now run this. Okay, so this is the output of your nested while loop, and I have shown you how to debug also. Okay, so guys, please like, subscribe and comment. I'll see you in the next tutorial. There we will see until loop. Thanks a lot for watching this tutorial.